All right, Mickey, we're doing some logger weight stuff this morning. We're hand cutting. Dad's gonna be doing the cutting.
Let's see if he can throw that tree that away.
Oh, you want to see if he can throw the leaning one back the other way?
The other way. Let's see how good he really is.
I bet he can do it.
I bet he can't with that just that there. He may throw it. It may curl this way or the other way, but it ain't going nowhere till he throws that other one.
That's what I think to say. It's right in the park.
Unless he's gonna climb it.
All right, so he's put a brand new chain on the saw. Right now he's filing his drags.
I don't know. I'm the same way. I get this shit, I pop off that.
How many years you make a living on a saw?
I let go of it. You see, it is calm the nerves though.
15 years. How many loads a day you used to fill with a saw?
25, 20.
And that was in what, 16, 18 inch?
24 inch plantation pipe.
That's back to 40s, wasn't it? That's back to 40s, wasn't it? I knowed he was older than me. He wouldn't know that in my mind about it.
Are we fixing to blow the internet's mind the way he's fixing to cut these trees? What do you call this? Match cutting? We fixing to blow YouTube's mind cutting this tree this way. Well, he don't know how to go that way.
I don't know how to go that way. That's dangerous right there. You can come off there and walk. Yep, that's right. We can go there both of us. Very, very dangerous. Very dangerous.
All right, now we're gonna grab that one with the skidder and just grab it and just drag it out yonder.
peppered our house with some chips, but I guess it went the opposite way.
Yeah. I thought that was gonna get pretty hairy there for a minute. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees on the ground. It's time to get going. Something different, watch. Alright, so we're gonna wrap this video up. Yeah, I filmed all day long that day, but this particular segment I felt needed to be in its own clip. Something to note, y'all saw the camp there with the when I cut the smaller tree with the buncher, y'all saw the camp there. Yeah, you're just going to have to deal with cars going by out here behind me. But anyway, y'all saw the camp. The camp was right beside where we were hand cutting too. That's why we had the buncher there. We had no doubt that Dad could make the trees go the direction they needed to go, but just for that added safety, we put the buncher there. And I didn't realize how close I was on the second tree already, and I made the tree, the way that tree jumped off the stump, that was my fault by pushing the tree instead of just helping guide the tree in the direction that it needed to fall. I actually pushed it and made it jump off. I broke Dad's corner the way he was making the tree swing around and pull. That was my fault. So anyway, chainsaws and, you know, dangerous cutting. It was just was a favor to the people in the camp. They needed some trees cut, and for them helping keep an eye on the equipment while it was in there and everything like that. We just felt that we needed to go ahead and do the favor that was asked of us. So just helping out people that helped us. Something different. And I saw a comment a while ago on YouTube about needing a chainsaw in the truck. We can't have chainsaws. You know, this was not done on our job site. This was an off-site thing. This was not done. Man, these mosquitoes are bad here. You might hear our baby in the background. But anyway, that was not done on Hancock property or any way affiliated with our insurance or anything like that. That was just us doing stuff on our own, because we cannot have a chainsaw on the job or it could void our insurance. So that's why I don't have a chainsaw. That's why we use pole saws. And like I said, that was not on job property. That had nothing to do with actual Thomas Johnson login. That was something to do just on the side on our own. So anyway, that had nothing to do with actual. That'd be just like us cutting up trees here at the house and using one of the track cutters to help move them around too. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all go down below, hit that subscribe button. We don't always have chainsaw videos around here, but maybe we can get some more if the chainsaw video goes well. I know a lot of y'all like chainsaw stuff. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment if y'all will. And until the next video, I'll catch y'all next time.